Hello, in this video tutorial you will see how to make this tiny plant hanger for the wall. It's not so hard to make, it's very nice for beginners. In part 1 you will see how to make a vines and how to assemble, and into the part number 2 you will see how to make a basket. Let's start. We start from the chain 10. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now yarn over, insert the hook into the 4th loop from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right over here. Grab the yarn, bring it up. Yarn over, work through 2 loops. Do not finish. Repeat the same way. Insert the hook into the same loop, bring it up, work through 2 only. 3 loops on a hook. We need to continue the same movement until we have 8 loops on a hook. It means we will do 7 unfinished double crochet, and all together we will do 8 double crochet puff stitch. Make sure you have enough space for all double crochet, and for the last one you can work under 2 loops if you want. And also do not finish only through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 loops on a hook, yarn over, work through all loops at once. Ready? That's what we have. This is the face side, this is the wrong side. Now fold it, make 1 chain to secure. Now insert the hook under the first and the last stitches, under 2 or under 1 loop, and make slip stitch, and another slip stitch will be into the next empty chain, also slip stitch. That's all. That's what we have. Continue exactly the same way. 10 chains, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Yarn over, 1, 2, 3, 4 into the 4th loop from the hook, insert and make unfinished double crochet. Repeat till you have 8 loops on a hook. This is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. I will do 8 under 2 loops. Ready? Yarn over, work through all loops at once. Fold it, 1 chain, 1 slip stitch to join into the first and into the last stitch, and into the next chain make another slip stitch. Ready? Continue till desired length. I made several of them. And now after the last slip stitch you can cut the yarn, bring your yarn up, hide these tails somewhere inside, cut it, ready. That's what we have. If you want, you can leave this tail long enough to sew our vines. I made few of them with tails, and I also made few of them I start from the berry. It means I made chain 4, and into the first chain from the beginning I made the berry. Then I made several, 2, 3, 7 or 8, and over here I made 20 chain. It means I will have it for both sides. Now we can make a decor. For the assembling we need to prepare our basket. I will show you how to make the basket in my next video. It probably will be tomorrow or day after, and I also leave the link in the description box. Check it out, please. We need our vines, and we need whatever we have in leftovers. I have perfect brown yarn. Just make several twists around your fingers, make your life easier and better. Use what you have, and also turn on hot glue gun. Gonna cut it. And start touch glue gun in the middle, then our vine, hold it again, put glue, hold it. This one you can leave as a decor also, or you can wave it in again and continue and hold it. Have another one, it's right over here. And make sure you have different lengths of your vines. And I have another 2. It's right over here. Ready? Now you can flip it over and put it into the basket. Like that. Now put all the vines in different ways. 2 of them over here, 2 of them we can leave over here, and few under this. If you want, you can add some more brown yarn to imitate the soil. I think for me it will be enough. And we need a few of them to this side. Let's do this small and this long one. That's how it looks like so far. and let's handle it. I have little nail on my wall, and that's how it looks like. You can make as many as you can and decorate your room. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my ideas, please subscribe to my channel and give me thumbs up. Thank you and bye bye.